In the heart of nature's hope, where the rivers freely flow, mountains high and valleys low, in this world we're meant to grow. Let's cherish our environment, every tree, every element, for in its beauty we find our home. Together we'll let our love be shown. The breeze whispers secrets untold in the forest where stories unfold. Every creature, big or small, plays a part in this grand